Hi, I'm Trevi Lorsberger, and I'm here today to say shoutouts. And I have three people I'm supposed to say shoutouts to. Number one. Okay, so Sydney, aka Addison Isles. She is so adorable. I love having her in my life. She is just the greatest best friend you could ever ask for. And I don't really know what I would do without her because she's just like, yeah. When we started out as friends, we kind of started with the same name, and it was funny because it was the same name, except for it was spelled different. Hers has two D's, and mine only had one. Funny. Anyways, we were Addison, and then now we are just the best of friends, which I knew would someday happen because, if you have the same name as someone, it's bound to happen. Okay, number two. Crap. Uh, I don't know how to say your name off the top of my head, so I have to sound it out. Kazi Burger. I really think that you are very cute. You will play cute people. I enjoy your presence. I really like your default. It's very cute. And um, I should make us a sister picture. I am talking in this odd accent. Just ignore it. And then third, Ethan Berger. um, I just love you. You are slowly becoming my best friend over time. I like talking to you, and you are very fun to Skype with, and I'm in love with your sister, and we're gonna get married after we make out on camera. And tell your sister that I said hi. Just kidding, that was a horrible wink. Let's try again. Okay, we're done. uh, yeah.